guys, hope everyone is doing well. Today I brought a new sound equalization software. uh, First of all, I have like to tell you that I have recently downloaded it, like about yesterday. Yeah, I have tested this equalization system by connecting my Sony MDR E9LP earphones. Guys, believe me, it just sounded so good. Yeah, so that's what's the interfaces look alike. So I hope you guys can easily assume that uh, how it's gonna be back. I've put settings as my own taste. Yeah, so put clarity to 0. You can guys, as you can set it as your preference, personal preference. Sorry about my English, no good. Yeah, so I named it the CD quality. Yeah, because it sounded really good. Guys, you guys need to download it first to experience it yourself. Yeah, so the app name is FXSound. This is legit software because it's from Microsoft. Yeah, the Microsoft, there it is. You need to go to Microsoft store, download this amazing sound software. Yeah, so to enhance your all audio experiences. So this is what it looks like. So right now I'm not playing any kind of songs. It uh, in short, it sounds like a Dolby Atmos, you know, the Dolby DTS technology, because it has these settings as well: ambience, surround sound, dynamic boost, bass boost. Yeah, the ambience thing provides the widening experience. If any of you know about the ambience and surround sound, it can easily guess what I am trying to say. So you need to, let me show you guys. Okay, wait. You need to go to the Microsoft store, and in the search bar here, there it is. You need to type FX. There it is. Here, there it is. You have to click on it because I have already installed it. That's why once you get there, you will get the download button here. It also has very good ratings, as you can see. Let me show you some. It has all the reviews it has are positive reviews. Close it. I have tested it, I have installed it on my Windows 10. Yeah, so I don't know about the previous Windows version like 7, 8. You must have a later version, Windows 11 or 10, so it might work. So hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel to have some more videos like this. Thank you for watching.